Welcome friends, myself singer Pooja Madhukar. Today's my seminar topic is signal transaction cascade. In this topic we study the some important concept that is signal transaction, the stage of cell signaling and signal transaction cascade. So first we study the signal transaction. Signal transaction is the process by which chemical or physical signal is transmitted through a cell as a series of molecular events, most commonly protein phosphorylation catalyzed by protein kinase, which ultimately result in a cellular response. As living organisms, we are constantly receiving and interpreting signal from our environment. This signal can come in the form of light, heat, odor, touch, or sound. The cells of our body are also constantly receiving signal from other cells. These signals are important to keep cell alive and functioning as well as to stimulate important events such as cell division and differentiation. Signals are most often chemical that can be found in the extracellular fluid around cell. This chemical can come from distant location in the body, that is endocrine signaling by hormone, for nearby cell, that is paracrine signaling, or can even be secreted by the some cell, that is autocrine signaling. Then stage of cell signaling. There are three stages of cell signaling. First is reception, then second transduction, and third one is response. In reception, a cell is detected a signaling molecule from outside of the cell. A signal is detected when the chemical signal bind to receptor protein on the surface of the cell or inside the cell. In transduction, when signaling molecule bind to receptor, it change the receptor protein in some way. This change initiate the process of transduction. Signal transduction is usually a pathway of several steps. Each relay molecule in the signal transduction pathway change the next molecule in the pathway. In response, the signal trigger a specific cellular response. Then signal transduction cascade mediate the sensing and processing of stimuli. These molecular circuits detect, amplify, and integrate diverse external signal to generate a response such as change in enzyme activity, gene expression, or ion channel activity. Here, the neurotransmission is more commonly method to communication between neuron, but serotonin leads to sleep. While in background neurotransmitter, a series of signal leads to the body biological response. This pathway is known as signal transduction cascade. The four main cascade are: first is G protein link system, then second ion channel link system, third hormone link system, then fourth neurotropic link system. In neurotropic, such as GABA or acetylcholine, and any on G protein or ion channel link system. Cascade are of within extracellular molecule known as the first messenger, which activates an intracellular protein, in the other word the second messenger. The second messenger then activate the third messenger, and the third messenger then activate fourth, and so on. In the aid of cascade automatically inform the gene expression. For the purpose of this opecrine, the each of the four cascade with as example. So first is G protein link system. The system start with first messenger, then neurotransmitter dopamine, which bind to D1 receptor, then undergoes conformational change, each along with G protein bind leading to production of CIMP, then second messenger molecule. Then physiology of CAMP. The G protein is made up of alpha, beta, and gamma subunit. Once G protein has been activated, alpha subunit release the GDP and GTP. The alpha and GTP subunit then dissipate together and bind to enzyme coadenosylase. These enzymes are catalyzed by production CIMP. CIMP then activates the third messenger protein kinase. The third messenger enters the nucleus and activates CRAVE. CRAVE is the transcriptional factor that detects the inquiry of specific change and there for production of certain RNAs. Then second is ion channeling system. In this example, the first messenger is bind to ionotropic NMDR receptor as divide the ion channel open closing calcium ion influx. The second messenger calcium can bind to calmodium and activate third messenger calcium calmodulin depend protein kinase. The kinase translocate the cell nucleus for phosphorylase for gene expression as also survival. The third uh, hormone link system. For this example, to discuss transduction cascade, this pathway is neurodifferent well by HOMO enter in the cytoplasm and bind to receptor. Then fourth one is neurotropin link system. Neurotropin, which is slightly more complicated. Neurotropin are protein that arise neuron survival, development and functioning. For this example, the first messenger IGF-1 that is insulin like growth factor which bind to the IGF-1 receptor. This step then activate the second messenger RNA GTPase which in turn activate a series of transgene kinase that automatically affect gene expression for cell growth. So thank you.